Imagine a world where every child is safe, loved, and well cared for. Unfortunately, this is not always the case. Child custody disputes can turn even the most benign situations into battlegrounds. But how can one ensure that a child's welfare remains paramount amidst such turmoil? Enter Empire Pacific Investigative Services, a private investigation firm, the unsung heroes of the child custody world. Picture this. A single mother, we'll call her Jane, is fighting for custody of her child. She suspects that her ex-partner, despite his charming courtroom demeanor, isn't as wholesome a parent as he claims to be. Jane is worried, but she doesn't have concrete proof. That's where Empire Pacific Investigative Services, Investigator Mike Hakimi comes in. Empire Pacific Investigative Services investigators are experts in child custody surveillance. They conduct thorough observations of the parent in question, documenting every interaction with the child. In Jane's case, investigator Mike Hakimi is discreetly assigned to monitor her ex-partner's activities. Investigator Mike Hakimi, armed with years of experience and an unwavering commitment to child safety, watches closely for any signs of mistreatment or neglect. But investigator Mike Hakimi does more than just surveillance. They gather evidence from video footage to witness statements to provide a comprehensive picture of the child's situation. In Jane's case, investigator Mike Hakimi documents instances of neglect and interviews neighbors who've witnessed the ex-partner's questionable parenting. Investigator Hakimi doesn't stop there. The investigator also conducts a routine activity check, collecting additional information that could be crucial in court. For Jane, this could mean the difference between losing her child and ensuring his safety. These tireless efforts culminate in a detailed report. A report that doesn't just tell a story, but provides irrefutable evidence of a child's living conditions. For Jane, this report is her best chance at winning custody and safeguarding her child's future. But remember, EPS private investigators don't just work for Jane. They work for any parent or guardian concerned about their child's well-being. They operate within the confines of the law, using surveillance techniques that respect privacy while uncovering the truth. Every child deserves a safe and loving home. EPS private investigators help ensure that. They're not just investigators, they're advocates for children's rights and safety. If you're facing a child custody dispute and need concrete evidence to support your case, don't wait. Reach out to investigator Mike Hakimi at Empire Pacific Investigative Services for a confidential consultation. You're not just hiring a private investigator, you're hiring champions for your child's welfare. Email us at epis0007@gmail.com or call us at 1310-657-3747. Because when it comes to your child's well-being, there's no room for doubt.